Guys. Okay. So medyo nagmamadali ako now because I have a scheduled interview. Kinakabahan ako. So I already met with the HR for a screening call. And in schedule of today for an interview in person sa office nila, parang kailangan kong mag-ayos ng konti. So, ang ayos lang na sinasabi ko is usually my hair. Kasi gusto ko lang siyang straighten ng konti. Hindi ako ma-makeup. Hindi rin ako ma-alahas. Basta simpleng tao lang. So, buhok lang talaga yung inaayos. So, ayan. Basa pa rin yung ilalim. Pero at least konti lang. I only have an hour left before the interview. Medyo helpful tong Dyson Air Straight na to kasi at least na the very end, nasa-straighten na siya ng magkasabay. Hindi ko na kailangan ng separately i-blower, tapos i-straighten. So, yeah. Yan na siya. Ito yun na siya. Ito na siya, pero may wave. So, ito dito. So, whether sa Dubai, pwede na yung medyo half tuyo. Kasi paglabas mo, fully dry. Fully dry siya. Yan. Ganyan lang. So, usually gusto ko naglo-long sleeves for interview kasi may mga tats ako. Dahil creative agency naman ko, mas feeling ko mas acceptance sila sa mga tattoo. And also, it shows of your personality, ganyan. So, okay lang tayo naka-ano. Sobrang init din kasi pagka nag-long sleeves ka. Sa mga panahon ngayon. So, short sleeves lang tayo. And then, ito na ako. So, ayan. It's 2:17. We have 40 minutes to spare. 20 minutes going there. I think early enough na yun para hindi ako masyadong tensionado pagdating doon. So, si Cinnamon ay nandito na rin sa labas dahil bawal sila magkasama ni Ate Puffy sa isang room at maghahabulan sila forevermore. So, hindi niya alam saan ako pupunta. Iniisip na naman niya na iiwan ko siya today. So, yeah. Just for a bit lang. 1 hour lang yun, maybe. For our future. Ako naman. So, anything else? Wala mo magdala ng pen and paper. Baka may exam. Yung friend ko na working din doon, ang sabi ay, huwag daw ako magdala ng sasakyan kasi walang parking. So what I'll do is just book a Karim ride para hindi na ako ma-stress maghanap ng parking doon. Bubuk tayo pag nasa lobby na tayo kasi madami naman Karim. Matahol na si Cinnamon kasi iniwan ko na naman siya. Kaya ko ba to? Kaya ko to. Relax. Relax. So this is probably the second interview I've gotten in the last 3 weeks. So the other one, wala pang feedback. Hinihintay ko pa. So hopefully this is it. Okay. Okay. Kaya ba tayo dyan? Diba? Na-straight naman yung hair ko. So, tuyo na siya. Oo. Yun lang. Lipstick, check. Everything else, there. Okay. Magbubuk na muna ako na red.
A few minutes later.
Okay, done. That was okay. Tawanan lang, tawanan. Chikahan. Sana makuha ko. Please. Pauwi na Mina. Init pa rin sa Dubai. So, let's see. Sanay the traffic. I'll tell you more later kasi nakatingin siya. Okay. We're back. We're back. And yeah, that was fun. Okay. So overall, I think that went good. It was light and chill and very get to know you-ish. Like, I think gusto nila ng girls. So, we have an advantage there because okay lang sa kanila na babaeng production managers. So, we can do that. We can manage. So, yeah. Balik na tayo sa house. We do our other stuff. And, this baby missed me, I think. Okay, thanks for the kisses, baby. So, I will let you know kung makuha ko yun. Kung hindi, edit try and try until the next. But yeah, hopefully that's it. Because I really like that company. I like their office. I love that they're on women empowerment team. They're 90% composed of female employees. So, hopefully. And what else? I have friends there. I have a friend there who's working and another friend is joining them soon. So, yeah, that would be amazing. It would be a reunion from all my, companies, colleagues from the past. Unite. Okay. So, Cinnamon, say goodbye.
3 hours later.
Okay, sure. Yeah. Thank you. That was quick. Thank you so much. I didn't know I'm gonna hear back from you today. Anyway, thank you so much. Great, awesome. Thank you so much. Alright, bye. No answer. Yeah. Babe,
Oh,
I got it.
you got it?
Yeah.
Oh, congrats.
I might start
So
this
congrats.
week.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Yeah.
Good job.
I got it. Yeah, boy.
Congrats.
Thank you. Yeah. Exciting news, exciting news. Grabe, hindi ko yun na-expect agad-agad. Hindi ko yun na-expect agad-agad. I was hoping, I was praying for it. Pero yun nga. Sobrang bilis. And I'm so happy. I'm really very happy about it. Yay. Sana maging successful ako sa bagong career na ito. And also, paano ba? I guess I'm no longer unemployed. Really, really happy about this. Lesson na natutunan ko from this whole thing while I was, in between jobs. First is, if you really want it, if you really go for it, and if you really believe that something's out there na para sa inyo, just keep on believing. I mean, I wasn't actively looking for a while. Parang I took that time for me to rest din and also to clear my mind, to find my passion, ganyan. And yeah, when I started looking and when I started to actually believe na, hindi, pwede pa akong magka-work ulit, dumating naman siya. And also, another thing, reconnect with your friends or former colleagues, ganyan. Kasi they might know an opportunity for you na hindi naman nakalista anywhere else, hindi nakalista sa mga LinkedIn post or anything. Kami nakakaalam ng mga vacancy and them being your former colleagues might know would be a right fit for you. So, kung alam nila how hardworking you are and everything, syempre baka sakaling sabihin nila, oh, perfect ka for this role. Yung opening sa amin. Mga ganyan. And lastly, syempre pray lang. Pray lang din, not just to ask for you to find a job, but also for you to clear your mind, quiet time ka with God, ganyan. And also, always just maisip mo lang na may reason kung bakit wala pa now, and that it will happen soon in His time. So, yun lang. Thank you so much. And yeah, hindi ko alam kung makapag-daily vlog pa ako after this one, after this news. Pero I will try, and still, I want to continue on with this project, this YouTube channel. So, hindi naman ma-affect dapat nung bago kong work. Yung inumpisahan ko na. Itutuloy ko na to. So, yeah! Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel and hit that bell button para sa next video ko. Hopefully soon. And yeah!